I have here, I have a steam cooking bags, which is amazing that you can use it to cook your stuff in it, and also you can enjoy this kind of nice and convenient meals. You can use it for the microwave, and each box has 25 bags. So let's open it. So I like to steam edamame, and I like to steam vegetables in the microwave, and these steam bags will come with instructions, and it tells you if you put spinach 2 minutes, asparagus, broccoli, zucchini, if it's half bag 1.5 minutes, if it's full bag 3 minutes, green beans, corn 3 minutes, 4 minutes, cauliflower, yellow squash 2 minutes, 4 minutes. So it gives you basically here a list of vegetables that you can cook and steam, and also chicken, hot dogs, food, fish, which is like super nice. Let's see the chicken. If it's one breast fresh, 3 minutes. If it's frozen, 5 minutes. And if it's 2 breasts fresh, it's 5.5 minutes, and frozen 7 minutes. So it has to be like 4 ounces boneless, skinless fillets. And this is the bag. It's like a Ziploc. So you basically just open it like this. You put the items, and then you close it, and it should be upwards like that. So let's try something. I have this edamame, and usually like I just put the bag itself in the microwave, but this time I'm going to place it inside this one. I'm gonna just like put them all inside of them and put it in the microwave. And for frozen vegetables, a full bag, you need to put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. So, woohoo! Let's do that. This is a full bag, and I'm closing this one here. I'll put it in the microwave. This side up. Okay, cook with this side up. So you need to put it like that, and I'm gonna place it for 6 minutes. We'll come back to it in 6 minutes and see how it goes. I'm super excited. So it's done. Let's see. Wow. Wow. This is cool. It steamed it very well. Look at the steaming. Let's open it. Awesome. It did what it actually says it will do. Those bags are amazing. Steam cooking bags. Highly recommend them. Hope you like them. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Look at my edamame.